Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and of course we've got new numbers from DUPLEX about versions of Windows 10 market share. So we are today February the 25th, 2020, and we of course have some interesting numbers here about the versions of Windows that are actually on your PCs. These are really telemetry. This is information coming from all the apps that they can actually check out. Well, the dominant version, May 2019 update, is now on 52.6% of PCs. So that's interesting to see that this is the dominant version. And we learned that the November 2019 update is now on 22.6% of all PCs. That means together, the 2019 versions are 75% of all computers out there running Windows 10. The, of course, October 2018 or version 1809 update is at 16.4. You guys are slowly being pushed now to actually the new version of Windows 10, which is the November 2019 update. But because of the nature of the update, you're probably passed on to May 2019. You're probably upgrading to May 2019 before you can upgrade to November 2019 update due to the fact that it's just a cumulative update. So kind of interesting here, the jump and how the updates are going to go. But most of you now are on, of course, the May 2019 update of the Windows 10. Now, one of the things that I think is a good thing to do, if you are one of those on 52.6% on the May, I think you should get into the November 2019 because it is really, bug fixes and really not that big of an update compared to other updates, and it gives you a full year where you don't have to move and go anywhere. This is the time when it's going to start getting interesting also because of the fact that now no version is really pushed or forced on users unless you're getting at the end of the 18-month cycle. I think we're going to start seeing more diversity in who uses which version of Windows 10 from now on because of that. But it's interesting to see that people are moving on and what are the version market shares. Remember, if you're on 1803, 1709 or older, that these versions don't have any security updates anymore, so you should be moving on to a more advanced version of Windows 10 to stay safe. It's very important. So these are the numbers. Kind of interesting to see, and it's going to be interesting to note which versions actually move on from month to month in 2020. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.